Tesla is ready to unveil the new Quicksilver Model Y paint color in showrooms across Europe. Over the weekend, nearly a dozen of the electric SUVs painted in the brand new color exclusive to Giga Berlin were spotted sitting outside the factory. During a recent drone flyover of the Tesla Berlin Gigafactory, the camera noticed several brand new Model Ys that appeared to be finished in a new lighter shade of silver developed on site at the much-touted new paint shop. The majority of the vehicles wearing this new color had black interiors, with one having a white interior. Welcome to First Class Tech, and in this video, we'll take a look at the Tesla Model Y in Quicksilver paint and white interior that was spotted in Giga Berlin and further updates. Tesla Gigafactory Berlin appears to be producing Model Ys painted in the company's new Quicksilver color and outfitted with a white interior. This was hinted at in a recent drone flyover of the electric vehicle factory in Germany. Quicksilver is the second shade of silver that Tesla will offer for the Model Y electric crossover in Europe and the Middle East. The first is Midnight Silver Metallic, which is only available in base rear-wheel drive vehicles, whereas Quicksilver is only available on long-range and performance variants. Seeing Tesla at an auto show was unusual in the past. In the past, the US-based automaker has expressed a desire to avoid attending auto shows. Basically, there was more demand for its electric cars than the company could produce. However, Tesla has broken with tradition this time, possibly to give potential European customers a first-hand look and feel of the Model Y electric SUV's new Quicksilver color. Tesla, on the other hand, has a Model 3 Performance and Model X on display at Auto Zurich 2022. Quicksilver is described by Tesla as a dynamic, liquid metal effect color that emphasizes the shape of the Model Y. The colors were created in their advanced paint shop at Gigafactory Berlin, Brandenburg, to complement your Model Y under any sky. The multi-coat paint adds a new dimension that subtly changes with curvature as you walk around your Tesla, from bright highlights to dark tones. There's no denying that the Quicksilver color option for the Tesla Model Y is stunning. The Model Y's Quicksilver color gives the all-electric crossover an extremely sleek and futuristic look, thanks to the facility's next-generation paint shop, which allows up to 13 layers for depth and dimension. However, so far, Quicksilver Model Y sightings have mostly involved vehicles with black interiors. Tesla's back interior is now quite luxurious in its own right. The company's vehicles are distinguished by their white interiors. The white interior, when combined with the Model Y's spacious cabin and all-glass roof, provides passengers with a comfortable and cozy ambience during trips. Quicksilver Model Ys with white interiors are now being produced, as hinted at in a recent flyover of the Giga Berlin complex. Quicksilver is significantly lighter than Midnight Silver Metallic, making the vehicle stand out more, but it also costs an extra €3,000. Midnight Cherry, the other color created at the new Gigafactory Berlin paint shop, is a deep candy-like hue that is arguably the most striking paint ever put on a Tesla. It adds €3,200 to the Model Y's price and, like Quicksilver, is not available in RWD vehicles. There are no Midnight Cherry vehicles visible in this flyover, implying that they are not yet in production. By the way, if you're watching us for the first time, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can enjoy our future videos while getting updated. Getting back to the topic. For the time being, Gigafactory Berlin is only producing Model Y crossovers, but the facility's ramp has been very steady. Over 2 years after Elon Musk's initial announcement, the Gigafactory Berlin's next-generation paint shop appears to be settling in. Elon Musk stated in April 2020 that the Tesla Gigafactory Berlin would have one of the most advanced paint shops in the world. According to Musk, the facility will be able to create more layers of stunning colors that subtly change with curvature. Musk stated at the time that the paint shops at the Fremont factory in Giga Shanghai would be upgraded over time, but that Giga Berlin would be the first to use the company's new paint shop. Tesla announced the launch of 2 Model Y colors on its official Twitter account. In a short video, the EV maker showed off Model Y units painted in the new options, emphasizing how appealing the all-electric crossovers looked. Quicksilver appears to be very similar to the now discontinued silver metallic option that was available for the Model 3 when it was first introduced. Midnight Cherry Red, on the other hand, is a deep red shade reminiscent of the signature red paint that Tesla first introduced with the original Model S in 2012. Quicksilver and Midnight Cherry Red are made of highly pigmented paint that changes depending on viewing angle and lighting. It should be noted that the Quicksilver and Midnight Cherry Red paint options offered by Giga Berlin will, for the time being, replace the Midnight Silver Metallic and Red multi-coat paint options offered by Tesla's produced at the Fremont factory, Giga Texas, and Giga Shanghai. With innovations like its next-generation paint shop, which allows Tesla to offer color options like Quicksilver and Midnight Cherry Red, Gigafactory Berlin's made in Germany Model Ys are likely to be among the best that the company can offer. According to the manufacturer, its new paint shop is the most advanced in the world, with the ability to apply up to 13 layers of paint. Elon Musk noted that this enables Tesla to create paint jobs whose color changes with the curvature of the vehicle's body, creating a one-of-a-kind effect that other companies cannot replicate. As if to appease Tesla fans on this side of the Atlantic, where the Model Y is only available in one of 5 basic colors, Elon Musk responded affirmatively to a question about whether the US will get a new coat of paint as well. The flashy Abyss Blue multi-coat, the third of the new Tesla Model Y colors discovered through some My Tesla mobile app code digging, has yet to be heard about or spotted in the Giga Berlin backyard. So that could be the new Model Y color that US customers get instead. In terms of how Tesla will pull off the light blue Model Y color, while the new multi-coat paint shop is currently only available in Giga Berlin, keep in mind that it is also expanding the one in the Austin factory. The city of Austin, Texas issued Tesla a permit on Monday to upgrade the Giga Texas paint shop, which is where the new blue Model Y color may eventually come from. It is unknown how many coats of paint will be required at the paint shop to achieve an Abyss Blue hue. Tesla also assembles the new Model Y batches with the 4680 Celta chassis battery platform in Austin, so it could begin painting them in Abyss Blue multi-coat or whatever the color is called after its official release. Musk has previously stated that the Model Y has the potential to become the best-selling car in the world, both in terms of revenue and volume. While some dismiss Musk's words as overly optimistic, the vehicle has been gaining traction in key markets around the world. According to Bloomberg NEF estimates, the Model Y will sell approximately 760,000 units in 2022, making it one of the world's best-selling vehicles. And given that the two best-selling cars in the global auto market in 2021 are the Toyota RAV4 and the Toyota Corolla, both of these sold approximately 1.1 million units last year, as well as the fact that Giga Berlin and Giga Texas are expected to see significant production ramps in 2023. The Model Y could indeed have a shot at becoming the world's best-selling car, bar none. It's no surprise then that Quicksilver Model Ys have an estimated delivery date of February 2023 to April 2023 in Tesla's Model Y configurator for Germany. Model Y is finished in Tesla's legacy colors like pearl white, multi-coat, and solid black. On the other hand, have an estimated delivery date of December 2022 to February 2023. Midnight Cherry Red, Tesla's other new color, has an even longer wait, with Model Ys ordered with a new paint having an estimated delivery date of May 2023 to July 2023. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Before that, we'd like to know what are your thoughts about the Model Y and Quicksilver. Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you